Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Sultan Arafat Brivian. I am from TI42 International Class, and right now I'm gonna explain about my answer in number one in Industrial Statistics final assignment. So this is my paper, but I'm sorry I can't show you my face while I'm explaining because I can take a video of my paper and take a video of my face at the same time because I only have one gadget. Thank you very much. Happy watching. So this is my answer for the question number one. So we the question is want to know about if there is a difference or not in population mean annual profits per employee. So we have this table from the question. We have companies 1, companies 2, and companies 3, and we have to do this question with one way ANOVA, and then the way is we have to find the x1 bar, which means the average of x1, and then we have to find the x1 bar, the x2 bar too, and then we have to find the x3 bar, and after that we have to find the x bar, which are the total of the companies 1, 2, and 3, and then we divide it into the number of data from companies 1, 2, and 3, which is 15. And then we found the result is 34.547. And then after that we have to count the SSB, or sum of the square between. The formula is n1 times x1 bar minus x bar square. And then the next, and we input the number into the formula. 5 times 38.3, we get this 38.3 from x1 bar, and then we subtract with x bar, and after that we found the result 418.137. Then we have to calculate the SST, which are the total sum of square. The formula is sigma of xe mean subtract with x bar square, and then we calculate it, or we can just the total square of xe subtract with the number of data times x bar square, which are like this. 49.1 square, it is got from 49.1 square. We do the square for all these 15 data, and then we subtract with 15 times the x bar square, and we found the result 1925.56. And then after that we have to count the SSW or SSW, or sum of square within. The formula is SSD minus SSB. The SSW is 1925.56 minus 418.137. We found the result is 1507.42. And after that we have to count the MSB. The formula is SSB minus K minus 1. So the K is the sum of data. So we have 3 data, companies 1, companies 2, and companies 3, and then the K is 3. So SSB minus SSB divided by 3 minus 1. We found the result 204.07, and then we have to count the MSW. SSW divided by number of data subtract with the K. which is 3. And then we input the number 1507.42 divided by 15, the number of data, subtract with 3, and then we found the result 125.62. And then we can find the F ratio MSB divided by MSW, 207.07 divided by 125.62, and then we found the result 1.66. And then we get to the ANOVA table. We get SS, DF or degree of freedom, mean square, and F ratio. The source of variation, we have this SSB 418.137, and the degree of freedom is K minus 1, which are 3 minus 1, and then the result is 2, and the mean square is, and then we get the mean square is from the MSB, and the F ratio is from the divided by MSB and MSW, and so on. And for the degree of freedom in error, we get from n minus k, or number of data minus k. And then we go to the critical value. And then we go to the critical value. The alpha is 0.05. It is known it is given in the question. And then the V1, which is degree of freedom K minus 1, and then the V2 is the N minus K. And for the F, we found it in the F table. So F 0.05 from the alpha, and then to 12, and we found it on 2 is in the column and 12 is in the row, and we found the result is 3.89. And then reject null hypothesis if F ratio bigger than 3.89, and then accept the null hypothesis if the F ratio less than equal 3.89, and we get from the F ratio is 1.66, which are we have to accept the null hypothesis because we found the F ratio is 1.66. It is less than 3.89, and the conclusion is there is no difference in population mean and no profits per employee. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.